Hi, Jim Pinkham, MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. Today let's look at a 250 Sunliner by Harris. This 250 Sunliner is powered by a Mercury 150 4-stroke engine, has a 4-step stainless boarding ladder, ski tow bar. This has got the pillow top interior, nice diamond stitched upholstery. Center walk-through, armrests in the rear loungers. 2 captain chairs with recliners. As far as swivel, fusion stereo, all your gauge and instrumentation. This has the lighting package, ski tow locker. This is the 250 Sunliner by Harris. If you'd like to come by MarineMax Lake Norman and take a look at this 250 Sunliner, we can be reached at 704-997-2168. Look forward to seeing you.